In these slides, we will distinguish the source of white matter and gray matter. White matter is mostly located in the outer part of the spinal cord and the inner part of your brain. In contrast to the gray matter is composed mostly in the inner part of your spinal cord and the outer part of your brain. Gray matter, named for its pinkish color, and is home to the neural cell body, axon terminals, and dendrites, as well as nerve synapses. So this is where all the conduction of action potentials between different nerve cells happens. The brain tissue is abundant in the cerebrum and brainstem. It also forms a butterfly-shaped portion of central spinal cord. The white matter is your brain spinal cord, composed of abundant bundles of axons. Those axons are coated with myelin, a mixture of protein and lipids that helps conduct nerve signals and protect axon. So here we can think the myelin sheet is something to coat your axon and help reduce the loss of information, action potential, and nerve impulses from the environment in your axon. So myelin is very important in keep the information what you try to transmit in text. And white matter conducts process and send over signals up and down the spinal cord. Damage to white matter of the brain or spinal cord can affect ability to move, use sensory faculties, or react appropriately to external stimuli. So, as read out, we can see white matter is mostly basically composed of the sensory neurons and the motor neurons, axons from here. So thank you.